वेलकम टू प्रिंस स्टूडेंट हाउस। आज हमारी एक्सरसाइज नंबर है 70, जो हम 60 वर्ड्स एवरी मिनट से आपको डेली डिक्टेट कर रहे हैं, यूट्यूब पे डाल रहे हैं सर जीडी बेस्ट स्पीडोग्राफी से। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 60 वर्ड्स इन मिनट, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 70। रेडी, स्टार्ट नाउ। Because of high taxation, where does it lead to? This is the main point that one has to consider. The government has also given the solution. I am not saying no. The National Institute of Public Finance and Policy document inverted commas aspects of black economy in India inverted comma close, which we discussed in this house for 2 days, had recommended and observed that since taxes are levied on a number of bases and there is a linkage between liabilities and direct taxes and indirect taxes, black money generation could be effectively or significantly reduced only if the rates of taxation of all major taxes are fixed at a reasonable level. One of the causes for large scale smuggling of goods other than gold into India is said to be the high excise and import duty structure in relation to a number of commodities for which there is a considerable demand in the country. There is a positive link between the level of black income and the aggregate tax ratio of the economy. Now, Tiwari in his Food Faith tried to give some concessions and reduced the burden of tax. But opposition did not take it in the right spirit. This is an attempt to lessen the evasion. But evasion is terrible. It is estimated from rupees 20,000 to rupees 40,000 crores per year, as much as you are collecting as taxes. The central government is going to collect taxes this year to the extent of rupees 45,000 crores. How much evasion is going to be there? Even state governments also collect sales tax and everybody knows how much they collect. Then what is happening in the market? Things are becoming costlier and smuggling is rising and even the evasion figure is also rising. I do not know whether it is a mental image or it is a fact that they have said that rupees 15,000 crores smuggling is there. That means almost the amount of export trade that we are doing. Are we not supposed to ponder over these things very coolly? Why Parliament should not discuss the question of smuggling for one day? This requires to be discussed. Then, if these concessions are required to be given to these industries, and if the monopolists benefit out of it, it should be done in the interest of the national cause. The direct taxes have come down last year. Stop. Thank you.